To build a flood bucket, start with an empty 5-gallon bucket with a lid. Place the larger items in the bucket: the bleach, laundry detergent, cleaner, and dish soap. Then add the smaller, more flexible items to fill in the spaces. Finally, secure the lid for shipment. For a detailed list of specific items and quantities, go to http://umcswtx.org and click on Flood Bucket Kit Assembly in the left-hand column. Flood buckets should be sent or taken to the United Methodist Center, 16400 Huebner Road, San Antonio, Texas,